What's going on, guys? Today I have another unboxing of the iPhone 6s for Metro PCS. It's a 32 gigabyte. There's the specs for you, right? I mean, if you want to read that and go and pause the video real quick. All right, let's go on with the unboxing for this device. I don't know why this ain't focusing. Okay, now let's do the unboxing. Alright. Here goes the phone. You have your headphones right here, your power brick, Apple brick, and you got your lightning cable. You know, y'all have seen this a million times. So there you go. As far as that go, there's your box. I'm gonna sit that to the side. I paid out the door with a port in. Ported in from Boost Mobile, one of my Boost Mobile lines anyway. And I went back to Metro. That's where I was at anyway before. Sorry about that, yeah. So what I did was I went in there. At first, man, they gave me hell at all of the other stores. So they was telling me it's gonna be $140 out the door for the 6S. And I'm like, man, you gotta be fucking kidding me. I mean, excuse my French, but you gotta be kidding me. $140 out the door. That's the phone ain't free then. I mean, I don't get it. I mean, that's crazy. So I had to end up driving just a little further. You know, end up driving a little further, and I ended up getting the phone for $82. I paid exactly $82.70 for this device. So, and that's with the $60 plan, activation, and insurance. So that's a beautiful price, a steal for the iPhone 6s. You won't find this phone 32 gigabyte iPhone 6s for that cheap. You won't find it nowhere else unless you do the port in with Metro PCS. And man, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. I mean, they had already went ahead on the activated it and all of that because they already got a SIM in there. So, but yeah, man, that's a great price for this device right here. And then what makes it so even doper, like where I live, you know, it got Dollar Trees, and so you see how fast that was. That was just so fast. I ain't got like my fingerprint or nothing set up yet. I still have the, you know, the plastic on it, and I won't remove it right now because, you know what I'm saying, when I remove it, I want to go and put this glass screen protector on it. And let me tell you, man, these are great glass screen protectors on it. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1, so where I stay at, and I also got a case for it for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And to be honest with you, I don't know even if this case will even work for it. I mean, I don't really know, because, you know, I never had the iPhone 7 or the iPhone 8, and this say the iPhone 7 and 8, and I'm pretty sure that the 7 it's the same body, you know, as this. So I'm almost positive it'll work, but if not, it's nothing. I really just want this case until I can get my outer box case for it. You know what I mean? That I'm gonna get later on. I'm gonna get an outer box case because I like the Defender outer box cases because they just protect the phone much more than me. You know, I'm gonna see if this would go though. Can it fit? This ain't nothing but a little TPU, little flimsy case. Ain't nothing too serious. Let me see. Yeah, it fit. It fits. It's a perfect fit. Just nah, not really quite though, because if you look right there, bump the camera and the flash. So nah, this case really not gonna go. But I'ma still keep it though, because I still use it for it until I can get me the real case. But I'm glad. I definitely needed that glass screen protector, so that was definitely a must-have. And these work great. I done already got one of these on my iPhone 7 Plus, and they work awesome. So yeah, man, it's basically the iPhone 6s, man, for cheap, man. 80, what I pay, $82.70, man. That's a steal. You know what I'm saying? You can't beat that. You can't beat it at all. As a matter of fact, just to prove it to you, for $82.79 is what I paid. You know what I'm saying? Let me fold this up so y'all can see right here. Man, why this thing ain't trying to? Okay, what didn't want to focus right there. $82.79 is exactly what I paid at my Metro PCS. Now, all of these Metro PCSs is so much different. So, don't think that you just gonna walk in a Metro PCS and you gonna get the phone for that price, because all of them is not the same. You may have to sit in your car or sit in your crib and call around until you can find the store that's actually doing it for that price. Because man, I tried to go local right here, you know what I mean, by my house and stuff, to the Metros out here, man. And one of them said they need it's gonna cost me around $140 out the door. And another one told me it's gonna be like $120 out the door. I'm like, man, that's just ridiculous, yo. I mean, if the phone free, I mean, come on, cause they got all these stupid bundle deals where you gotta buy an accessory to the phone, and it's just retarded, like, to me. So I end up going to, you know what I mean, going to another little county. You know, it wasn't far, probably like 25-30 minutes away, and I got the phone there, and they just charged me $82.79. So that's a steal, man, for an iPhone SE, man. You can't beat that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all do know that I had the iPhone SE, and I got the 6S now. I actually sold the iPhone SE so I can get this phone. So I can get this phone through a port. And so I sold the SE. And y'all already seen the SE on my channel too many times anyway. And I actually just did a speed test against the iPhone 6S. I mean against the LG G6. I did a speed test, so y'all go and check that out on my channel as well. The speed test from the iPhone SE versus the LG G6, and you will see that iPhone SE just demolished the LG G6 in the speed test, and that was just crazy to me. I had no idea how fast that iPhone SE is. So yeah, it's a fast phone, but now I got the 6S now, so I'm gonna be doing the full review on this phone coming in probably two days or so. You know what I mean? And like I said, I'm gonna put the 6S up against the G6 and see how that go. And then I'm waiting on to get my Axon 7 back out, so I have that out here too, you know, in a little bit. You know what I mean, to do some follow-up reviews on that as well. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Keep your head up, man. I bring more content to you guys, man. I'll be back with another one. I love you guys. God bless you, and keep your head up. Peace.